Ever wondered how AI envisions a mother's love? Look at how these animated mystical birds protect their children under the blanket of snow. In the world of AI, even mothers have heartwarming narratives to share. Be it just a rustle of wind or a heavy rainfall, a mother's strength and instinct never fades away, protecting their little ones at all costs. As technology continues to evolve, it envisions nature in the most soul-stirring way, offering motherly wisdom in a digital nest. Their majestic movements are a motion of caution and care, always protecting her young ones. Their shiny wings are always open to embrace them, offering warmth, comfort, and safety in one swift motion.